Jellybeans.net.
We had a great time sailing aboard the Norwegian Escape in March of 2019 with our little Jellybean. In this video, we'll share the top 5 tips our Jellybean told us for kids sailing aboard the Escape.
Bring things to do at dinner.
Like many cruise ships, the dining experience aboard the Escape can take different amounts of time each night. During our cruise, we had some nights when the food was delivered one course right after the other, and we had other nights when there was a lot of time between courses. To pass the time, we brought card games, Uno and Skippo Jr., to play as a family, an age-appropriate workbook full of challenges, games, and other fun, and some paper and pens for drawing.
Go to Splash Academy. It's really fun.
Splash Academy is Norwegian's onboard youth program for kids aged 3 to 12 years old. The kids are split into 3 groups with age-appropriate activities: turtles for 3 to 5-year-olds, seals for 6 to 9-year-olds, and dolphins for 10 to 12-year-olds. On the Escape, Splash Academy is located on Deck 5 midship and is easily accessed from both the forward and aft elevators. A reception area is used for dropping off and picking up your kids. Behind the reception area, the actual Splash Academy space is quite large and colorful and is subdivided for the different age groups. Restrooms and wash stations are available inside. Take note that space is limited for Splash Academy, so pay close attention to the opening times because the limit can be reached quickly. We also recommend you complete registration on embarkation day to save a significant amount of time later.
Ride the water slides. They're really fun.
The Norwegian Escape features 4 water slides, twin free fall slides, the Aqua Racer tube slide, and a traditional water slide. The free fall slides start on Deck 20 and drop riders almost straight down for more than 2 decks, before sending them back up into a steep curve and then down again to finish on Deck 17. The Aqua Racer also starts on Deck 20, but it takes a more leisurely, winding path down to Deck 17. The different sections along the way make for an exciting ride without any steep drops. You can get a good view of your kid riding the Aqua Racer by grabbing a chair near the giant chess set by the stairs on the port side of the ship, near the ropes course. And the yellow traditional water slide starts a bit above Deck 17 and takes a relatively slow winding path down to Deck 16. All 4 water slides have height or weight restrictions, so be sure to check the NCL website if your kid is interested in riding. And if your kid is not tall enough to ride any of the water slides, our Jellybean highly recommends trying the much smaller water slide in the Splash Park.
Play in the family activities.
During our cruise, the Norwegian Escape featured at least one family activity every day, and often there were more than one. Some of the activities included the Who's the Boss game show, arts and crafts classes, family beat your bedtime, a family balloon twisting workshop, a family glow party, the family insanity game show, and much more.
Try port day lunch.
Finally, on days when your ship is in port, Splash Academy is open, which gives you the opportunity to leave your kid on the ship and take part in more adult activities or excursions. If your kid is in Splash Academy during lunchtime while you're in port, the crew will take them to Oceans and feed them lunch. Your account will be charged a nominal fee, $6 during our cruise, but our Jellybean said the experience was worth the price tag.